I don't know, to be honest, because it was a long distance relationship. It's really hard to say.
Oh yeah, she fucked the guys. Yeah, she did.
Fair enough.
And again, shoot for the street, nigga.
Yeah.
Well, going back to the betrayal question, I think when a woman betrays you, it's over.
Yeah.
Because it's not in a woman's nature to be promiscuous. It's just not. You know, like even a girl that might, because you gave the example before, what if she dances but she doesn't fuck people? Yeah, I mean, there's girls that do, very rare, that do sex work that might not necessarily be promiscuous.
Rare.
Even though their job, it's extremely rare.
Yeah, right.
But the reality is, you know, when a woman is promiscuous, or she cheats on you, it's not in their nature to do that. Like, it's in man's nature to be promiscuous, but it's not in a woman's nature. So if a girl cheats on you, there's other problems there, like big problems.